Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now we'll be discussing about CSS background attachment. The background attachment property specifies whether the background image should scroll or be fixed, because it will not scroll with the rest of the image if you fixed it. So what does this mean? This is so nice. Let's say for instance now, let's just call everything right here, let's call it our background. Let's say, as I highlighted my document right here, let's call it background image. When we are trying to scroll like this within our image, can you see the background, the background that highlight our background right here is going with the CSS background attachment you can find here. Can you see when I'm scrolling up, scrolling down, the background is moving with it, right? So we can control the movement by, in which sense that when we scroll down like this, the CSS background attachment text will be scrolling, but the background will be fixed. The CSS background attachment will go inside, and the background is only the background that will show. I'm going to show you how all this kind of tricks works, but don't you forget, we are coming from the beginners to the advanced level of the CSS tutorials. So I want you to take it bit by bit, because we will have to discuss it when we get to the advanced level again also. But I'll give you some things you can work with easily now in case you need something like this in your document. So let's discuss about this later. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.